So check this out. What you see about it? One dry, one wet. See that? And it goes underneath same way. Same dry. One is older, one is younger. Look at the water that comes from this. Clear and pretty, don't it?
Yeah.
Alright, when we go to the spring to drink water, we don't use this one. Because we think it's not clear enough. We think it's not clear enough, and it's so clear, don't it?
Yeah.
Look at clearness now.
Look at this guy.
Silver.
Look at that.
Anything moves at the bottom, you can tell.
Oh my God. Wow.
And as a kid, we use it as a little ball.
Oh my God.
As a toy. Look at this, like a mercury.
Magic.
See that? Diamond chips.
It's like diamond. When I booked my trip to Jamaica, I knew I had to end up on a bamboo raft. Let me show you how it went. We booked our rafting through Chuka, which is how we've done all of our excursions. They had a little bus that took you into this beautiful rainforest wildlife area and brought us to the river where we saw all the bamboo rafts lined up. There was like 15 rafts. Our tour guide was amazing. He started us off with some good old rum punch because when you're on the island, that's what you do. We had good weather. We were crossing our fingers on that one because we did travel during hurricane season. But then we got a limestone foot massage. The limestone has like so many benefits for your skin. They stop so you can take pictures. Then as soon as we got on the bus, it started pouring, and you get to spend the whole day at their little resort that has the pool, the slide, and a bunch of other things to do. But since it was raining, we decided to go ahead and get ourselves a plate of some jerk chicken, and we did rum tasting because it was inside. So we got to try Appleton rum, which is made right there on the island. We got to try 3 of their dark rums, and sitting there just sipping on rum when you're not accustomed to rum was crazy. But it was really cool to learn how it was made. It's women owned, and all like the flavor notes that are within each of the rums. And that was our perfect way to end the day for excursion day 2.
All right, you're gonna turn around. Let me get it from the back. Let me get the back. Fuck, wait, yo. What you mean you about to turn it to the back? Yeah, I gotta wash the back. Well, no. You're not watching the back, bro. What you mean I'm watching? No, none of that, bro. Hey, come on. None of that shit, bro. Bummer clock, fucking bummer pussy clock, fucking. I can't do that shit, bro. Get the fuck up, bro.
Spotted Valiant rafting with Linda.
No Valiant that. I'm in a sick. My father did put that. He dog find Linda your fuck. Watcha.
This is one of the best rivers in Ocho Rios. It is called the Mother-Fed River. If you get to the river, you can go through a little track, go down some stairs, but trust me, once you reach, it'll go worth it. I fell in love with the surfboard immediately and try and make a dive off of the swinging rope, but why it never work out. As a big kid, you know the swing song Could Miss Me. I tell you, this is nature in its finest. I like the fact you can bring your own food, cook your own food, or buy food. Can you believe I paid only $500 for all that fun?
Someone a friend now, me open the gate sometime crawling. He can only eat one person at a time, so there'll be many survivors. Alright, he's a biter there though. Once him smell blood, he not normal.
Biggie, man. Cut those legs.
Way up though. Yeah, chicken enough. You bite the till him here, water. Come.
Welcome back to the outside of Kingston, and we are in St. Elizabeth. We're going to be on the water today because we are at the Black River Safari. The Black River Safari is an ecotourism attraction that offers boat tours into the morass of the Black River.
That's crocodile hunter. Come.
Today we're going to see crocodiles, birds, and all different types of flora and fauna. Our friend here is Crocodile Hunter. He's a big guy. We started off the tour by saying hello to each other and we chit chat for a little bit. Then he swam off. Next up we're going to take a look at some birds. These are egrets and they happen to have chicks in their nest. We made our way further up the river, made a couple of stops, and then we stopped to look at some flowers. This right here is the lavender blue species of aquatic plant. Next we stopped to look at an old-time crayfish trap. This was handmade, by the way. They used to use these back in the days to catch crayfish. This is me taking a look at it. Next up, we're here to visit Crocodile Victoria. Of course, she came over to say hi to us, but we didn't stay too long. We said bye and then we headed further up the river. Then we walked upon another crocodile. Boy, at this point, I'm convinced that crocodiles are some very friendly animals, you know, because ain't no way. The tour guide seemed to have a very good relationship with these crocodiles. We also visited the Rastaman Grove, which is a very old mangrove. And then we made it back to the dock where they have their own nursery, where they have different sizes of crocodiles as well as turtles. As you can see here, these are some very small crocodiles. They look like lizards. Well, I mean, they are lizards, but they're very small. Cost of the tour is around $2,400 for local residents and $1,200 for children. This is a Black River Safari. I am out. Big up on yourself. Yeah. Young Banaraga is in. Yeah. Got like a sail out to them. Yeah, man. Sailing. Take me to where I always wanna be.
For mosquito bite, suntan lotion. They also use it to preserve Colgate toothpaste
Okay.
that everybody uses.
That's amazing.
Now we use it for foot massage, to take off the callus from off your feet,
Nice.
to make your feet become soft and smooth.
Okay.
Limestone is also good for poor circulation of blood.
Nice.
It removes any rash, any bump, any pimple, any eczema
Okay.
from your face or your body.
Amazing.
So lots of people came down here for the whole body massage.
Mm-hmm.
So the ones who do not get their body done, they purchase stone from us.
Okay.
It don't really cost a lot.
How much is it?
I sell 2 blocks
Okay.
for only $20.
$20. Okay.
Yeah. So they
Nice.
can take it back to their face, to their body.
Mm-hmm.
Remove any pimple, any eczema, any rash. Yeah.
You could use it on your face too.
Yeah, use that facial.
Amazing. Okay.